Hi guys, today let's see how to do some grid questions in NVR. First, in the grid questions, you have to first see if they are related in the row way, in horizontal or vertical. If you see this, I'm saying hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. That means that all are related horizontally. So if you see the first one, there's a hexagon with nothing in it, blank hexagon. A hexagon with two other hexagons, and the inside shape is dark, and this is a two other hexagons with inside shape dotted, or it's a shaded white and it is dotted. So in this row it has a hexagon, blank shape, blank, blank, and it has white like all other, and it has to be the shape with black shaded shape inside. I am keeping A, B and C. I'm deleting D and E because they have white. Now if you see the next one, how are they the outside shape is dotted, outside shape dotted in C. I'm getting that set. If you get the answer, eliminate the wrong ones and go to the mark it and go to the next question. These two, what do you think? Are they related horizontally? Yeah, because this shape and this shape is same, and the outside shape goes inside. So and this rectangle comes on the top. So this octagon should be on top. In B, it's a circle, not this. And then in the shape which is here, this shape goes inside. So I have a pentagon here. Pentagon should go here. Inside should be a pentagon. This is a circle. Pentagon, pentagon. Let's keep it. And then where is this circle from? Circle was inside, circle was inside. So I need to have a octagon, circle, and in that there should be a pentagon. See the third question. I would say this and this are related. If there was only one line, now there are two and they are dotted. So this arrow should one go up and one should go down, and they should be dotted. Not dotted, pin down, not dotted. This is not. So I have B and D. Now you see this tiny. First, see the difference between B and D. The only difference is this shade of this pentagon. So let's see what's happening. This hexagon which was on top, it stays in the same place and it turns to be white. This is a black pentagon, so it stays black as in D. If you see the next question, I would say they are horizontally related, same place, same shape. So it should be the same shape and it should turn white, not E. It's like mirrored here. If I imagine a mirror here, it looks like that. So this mirrored of this should have a tiny shape here and a big shape here. Tiny shape should be the left down, not this, not this, not this, and D. Let's see the last question for today. This rectangle, this triangle is going here and then it goes on. Can I say it's going anti-clockwise? It's going clockwise. Can I say it's going clockwise? Yeah. Now this thing goes here and then here. This here, here. So I should have a triangle on the downside and it should be to the left. Only A is the one with that. I hope you all understood. Practice more of these grid questions, and first thing you need to find if they're related horizontally or vertically. When you find that one, it becomes much easier. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.